In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Proton VPN in Chrome. If you want a simple way to protect your browsing activity directly inside Chrome, the Proton VPN browser extension is a convenient option. I'll walk you through the full process, from installing the extension to making sure the VPN is actually working. First, open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Proton VPN and look for the official extension. Once you find it, click Add to Chrome and then click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will take a moment to install it, and after that, the extension will be added to your browser. Next, look at the top right corner of Chrome. You'll see the extensions icon, which looks like a small puzzle piece. Click that icon to open the list of installed extensions. Find Proton VPN in the list, then click the pin icon so it stays visible in your toolbar. Pinning it makes it much easier to access whenever you want to connect or disconnect quickly. Now it's time to sign in. Click the Proton VPN icon in the toolbar, then select Sign In. Enter your Proton account email and password. If your account uses two-factor authentication, go ahead and complete the verification code step as well. Once you're signed in, you'll be ready to use the extension. To turn the VPN on, open the Proton VPN extension again. The easiest option is to click Quick Connect, which automatically chooses a server for you. If you prefer, you can also browse the available country or server list and choose one manually. After selecting your option, wait a few seconds while the extension connects. When the status says connected, that means the VPN is on and active in Chrome. To confirm that it's working, open a new tab and search for What is my IP. If the IP address or location shown in the results is different from your normal one, that means the VPN connection is active. If you run into issues, there are a few easy fixes. If the extension is not showing, go to Chrome, then Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and make sure Proton VPN is enabled. If it won't connect, try switching servers, use Quick Connect again, refresh Chrome, or disable any other VPN extensions that might be interfering. And if websites are not loading properly, turn the VPN off and back on, or try connecting through a different country or server. That's it. Once you see the connected status and your IP has changed, Proton VPN is successfully turned on in Chrome.